Hello students, this is Dr. Nimolangshu here. So in my last class we have discussed about how the reaction proceeds and how we measure the rate of reaction. Also we have discussed about how we find differential rate equation. Okay, so we have seen that the rate is change in molar concentration of either reactant or product. So with respect to reactant, it is decrease in molar concentration divided by time taken for the change, and with respect to product, it is increase in molar concentration divided by the time taken for the change. Okay, so accordingly we put minus sign for decrease to indicate the decrease in concentration, and we put plus sign to indicate the increase in concentration. So we all know that rate is equal to as per physics definition, rate is equal to distance traveled by time taken. So here in chemistry also we came to know that rate of reaction is which is denoted by small r is equal to change in molar concentration of either reactant or product with respect divided by the time taken for the change. So this we have seen that as the time goes on, there is decrease in concentration of reactant, and also there is increase in concentration of product. So this decrease is indicated by negative sign and increase is indicated by positive sign. And if we plot a graph between concentration versus time, we have seen that the graph, how the graph looks like. So now on the basis of that, we are going to solve NCERT problems which definitely come in the final exam. So I am going to solve two such problems for you, and my request to you people is that you solve. There are so many problems in your NCERT book, textbook. So there are so many problems, in-text questions are there, exemplar questions are there. So you try to solve that, and if you find any problem in regarding solving those questions, so you feel free to ask me. So first reaction which we are going to do now is a very common reaction, frequently asked question in your final exam. So you can put 3 star for this reaction, okay, or you can put 5 star for this reaction. So the reaction is a chemical reaction 2A. The question is a chemical reaction 2A arrow 4B plus C. 2A arrow 4B plus C. If you go to search your previous year questions, you will see that this question is very much common. Okay, so 2A arrow 4B plus C in gas phase occurs in a closed vessel. Okay, occurs in a closed vessel. Now the concentration of B is found to the concentration, I am giving it in short form, the concentration of B is found to increase by 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole per liter mole per liter in 10 seconds. Okay, now calculate the rate of appearance of B. Calculate number 1, the rate of appearance of B. Rate of formation of B, we have to calculate rate of appearance of B. Number 2, the rate of disappearance of A. Number 2 is the rate of disappearance of A. Disappearance of means the rate of decrease in concentration of A we have to find. Rate of disappearance of A. So let's see the question minutely. A chemical reaction 2A arrow 4B plus C in gas phase occurs in a closed vessel. the concentration of B, this B, is found to increase by 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole per liter in 10 seconds. Calculate, number 1, we have to find the rate of appearance of B, means we have to find the rate of formation of B, and also number 2, the rate of disappearance of A, means we have to find the rate of decrease in concentration of A. So for this reaction, the solution is for the reaction 2A arrow 4B plus C. What is the rate equation? We know that rate equation is minus half dA by dt. That how it comes, that we have discussed yesterday, that the rate of a reaction is equal to the rate of disappearance or formation of a substance divided by its stoichiometric coefficient. Okay, so that we have discussed yesterday, and we have find how the differential rate equation comes. So R is equal to minus half dA by dt is equal to, in place of B it is increasing, no, so it is positive 1 by 4 dB by dt is equal to dC by dt. Okay, is equal to dC by dt. Now rate of, so these are positive because this is increasing concentration, this is also increasing concentration. So now rate of appearance of B, therefore rate of appearance of B, so rate of appearance of B is, it is said that the concentration of B is found to increase by 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole per liter in 10 seconds. So rate of appearance of B is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole per liter divided by in 10 seconds. Okay, divided by 10 seconds, which is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole per liter per second. Okay, right? Now we will find rate of disappearance of A. Now therefore rate of disappearance of A is equal to, we know that this equation, so we will take half minus half dA by dt is equal to 1 by 4 dB by dt. Okay, so we will put the sign. Okay, now here one question is that we will put the sign up to the differential equation, but while calculating the final rate we will remove the sign, whether it is positive or negative, because we know that rate of anything cannot be negative. It is not at all possible. तुमने क्या कभी सुना है क्या किसी कार -20 किलोमीटर पर आवर स्पीड में चल रहा है, या किसी ट्रेन -90 किलोमीटर पर आवर स्पीड में चल रहा है? नहीं ना. So it is not at all possible for anything which travels with the negative rate. So up to the differential rate equation we will put the sign. After that, after calculation we will not put the sign because rate cannot be negative. So what is coming? Rate of this disappearance of A, that is dA by dt. dA by dt is coming as, that is dA by dt is coming as rate of is coming as, which implies you can write dA by dt is equal to 2 by 4 dB by dt. 2 by 4 dB by dt. अभी 2 by 4 dB by dt में dV by dt क्या आया था हमारे पास? dV by dt आया था थोड़ी देर पहले 5 × 10⁻⁴ मोल पर लीटर पर सेकेंड। ओके, सो आंसर आ जाएगा हमारा 2.5 × 10⁻⁴ मोल पर लीटर पर सेकेंड। 2.5 × 10⁻⁴ मोल पर लीटर पर सेकेंड। ओके, और एक क्वेश्चन चलो करते हैं बच्चों। Students, let's do another question. So you write another question. So I am doing 2 questions for you. Now you have to go to take your NCERT book and solve the questions which are there in your book. And if you find any problem in regarding solving those numericals, you can ask me over my WhatsApp number. Okay. So for the reaction, the question is for the reaction twice N2O5 arrow 4NO2 plus O2 if the concentration of NO2 of NO2 increases by 1.6 × 10⁻². If the concentration of NO2 increases by 1.6 × 10⁻², capital M in 4 second. Calculate number one the rate of formation of NO2, okay. Number 2, rate of formation of O2, okay. Number 2 is rate of formation of O2. Number 3 is they say rate of disappearance of N2O5. And number 4 finally they say to find the rate of reaction. Okay, so this is the question. So let's see the question again minutely. For the reaction twice N2O5 arrow 4NO2 plus O2 if the concentration of NO2 increases by 1.6 × 10⁻² capital M. ओके, पिछले क्वेश्चन में था मोल पर लीटर, यहाँ पे दिया है कैपिटल M and we know that this capital M is equal to मोल पर लीटर. We know that this capital M is equal to मोल पर लीटर. हमने फर्स्ट ईयर में इक्विलिब्रियम चैप्टर में पढ़ा है कैपिटल M मोलारिटी इज इक्वल टू दिस कैपिटल M इज व्हाट मोलारिटी एंड मोलारिटी इज इक्वल टू मोल पर लीटर. ओके, in 4 seconds. Okay, so calculate the rate of formation of NO2. Number 2, the rate of formation of O2. Number 3, rate of disappearance of N2O5. And number 4, rate of reaction. So let's see what is the differential rate equation. What is the differential rate equation? Okay. Now, this for the solution is for the reaction. Okay, twice N2O5 is equal to arrow 4NO2 plus O2. Okay, so R is equal to minus half dN2O5 by dt is equal to 1/4 dNO2 by dt is equal to this is plus dO2 by dt. Now this is the differential rate equation. Okay, now it is said that the concentration of NO2 increases by 1.6 × 10⁻² mole per liter in 4 seconds. So therefore rate of formation of NO2 is equal to dNO2 by dt. dNO2 by dt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 2 capital M divided by 4 second. So this gets cancelled out, is equal to 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 2 M per second. 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 2 M second. Or we can write 4.0 into 10 to the power minus 3 M per second. Okay, so this you can write. Now rate of formation of O2. Next question is rate of formation of O2. So let's do the next question. Now this is number 1 we have got. So next question is rate of formation of O2. Okay, so how we will calculate rate of formation of O2? So rate of formation of O2, number 2, this is number 1. Number 2 is rate of formation of O2. Okay, so this is number 2, rate of formation of O2. So dO2 by dt, see dO2 by dt is equal to 1 by 4 dNO2 by dt from this differential rate equation. So dO2 by dt is equal to 1 by 4 dNO2 by dt, and dNO2 by dt क्या है हमारे पास? It is equal to 4.0, that is equal to 1 by 4 into 4.0 into 10 to the power minus 3 M per second, that is equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 3 M per second. So which is dO2 by dt, the rate, that is rate of formation of O2. Now rate of disappearance of N2O5. Next third question is rate of disappearance of N2O5. Rate of disappearance of N2O5. Rate of disappearance of N2O5. Okay, so N2O5 क्या है? हाफ dN2O5 by dt is equal to 1 by 4. तो हमारे पास क्या है? माइनस हाफ dN2O5 by dt is equal to 1 by 4 dNO2 by dt. ओके, तो मैंने क्या बोला कि हम क्या करेंगे, अप टू डिफरेंशियल रेट इक्वेशन तक साइन रखेंगे, इसके बाद जब फाइनल कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तब साइन नहीं देंगे क्योंकि रेट कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव. सो व्हिच इज इक्वल टू, व्हिच इम्प्लाइज वी कैन राइट, which implies we can write, so which implies we can write dN2, which implies dN2O5 by dt. Now we are going to do the final calculation. So मैंने क्या किया, साइन रिमूव कर दिया. So it is 2 by 4 into dN2 by dt क्या है, 4.0 into 10 to the power minus 3 M per second. So that is equal to 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 3 M per second. Okay, 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 3 M per second. Now बोला क्या, तो चौथा क्वेश्चन क्या था, रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन, दैट इज रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज रेट ऑफ फाइनल रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. सो हमारे पास क्या आया, number 4.1 we are going to find is rate of reaction. So students यहाँ पे देखो rate of reaction बोला गया ना, तो rate of reaction is equal to R is equal to half dN2O5 by dt, R is equal to 1 by 4 dN2 by dt, R is equal to dO2 by dt. तो rate of reaction मुझे किसी भी इक्वेशन से मिल सकता है because all are equal. सो रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन जो है ना, वो मुझे किसी भी, अगर मैं किसी एक पोर्शन को ले लूँ, अगर मैं लिख सकता हूँ R इज इक्वल टू हाफ dN2O5 by dt, वो होगा. अगर मैं लिख लिया R इज इक्वल टू 1 by 4 dNO2 by dt, वो भी होगा, दैट इज ऑल्सो राइट. R इज इक्वल टू dO2 by dt, तब भी ये राइट है. तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, अभी मैं इसको ले रहा हूँ. सो R इज इक्वल टू that is minus half dN2O5 by dt. Okay, dN2O5 by dt. So that is r is equal to, अभी तो इक्वेशन फाइनल इक्वेशन है ना, तो माइनस साइन नहीं रहेगा. सो इट इज 2.dn2/dt क्या है, 2.0 into 10 to the power -3 amp per second. So that cancels out and it comes to be 1.0 into 10 to the power -3 amp per second. Now ये हो गया हमारा फाइनल आंसर. नाउ अगर तुम बोलोगे कि सर मैं आप इसको ले लो, तो चलो देखते हैं, इसको देखते हैं. r इज इक्वल टू 1/4 dn2/dt, 1/4 dn2/dt, और dn2/dt क्या आएगा हमारे पास, 4 into 4.0 into 10 to the power -3 amp per second. So that also comes as 1.0 into 10 to the power -3 amp per second. ये भी ले सकते हैं हम, r इज इक्वल टू dO2/dt. dO2/dt क्या आया था हमारे पास, आंसर क्या आया था, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1.0 into this one. Okay, dO2/dt is equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power -3 amp per second. तो देखो बच्चों, अगर मैंने इस पोर्शन को लिया r इज इक्वल टू हाफ dn2/dt, तब भी जो आंसर आ रहा है, r इज इक्वल टू मैं इस पोर्शन को ले लिया तब भी सेम ही आंसर आ रहा है 1.0, बिकॉज ऑल आर इक्वल. नो, ऑल आर इक्वल. अगर मैं इस पोर्शन को ले लिया r इज इक्वल टू dO2/dt, तब भी हमारे पास सेम ही आंसर आ रहा है. सो यू कैन टेक एनी वन. आई हैव टेकन दिस वन, you can take this one, someone can take this one also, this portion also. So when you are asked to find the final rate of equation, you can take anything. Okay, from means anything means from the differential rate equation. So ऐसा बहुत सारा क्वेश्चंस है एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक्स में. सो होमवर्क के तौर पर मैं तुम सबको बोलना चाहता हूँ, your homework is all NCERT numericals, and if you find any problem in solving any question, you are free to ask me. So your homework is all NCERT numericals. Okay, so this is your homework. Okay, now in doing that homework, to find any problem in any question, you are free to ask me over my WhatsApp number. Okay, so ये जो रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन हम जो अभी जो कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं, ये जो हम देख रहे हैं रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन ऐसा होता है. सो उसका दैट रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन हैज गॉट सम फैक्टर्स व्हिच अफेक्ट द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. सो नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी factors affecting the rate of reaction. Factors affecting the rate of reaction. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so that is also a very important topic. Factors affecting the rate of reaction. Factors affecting the rate of reaction. Okay, so there are certain factors which affect the rate of reaction. Number one is concentration of reactant. तो इसका ये क्या है, as the reactant concentration increases, rate of reaction also increases. Concentration increase means rate increase. Concentration increase means what? Rate will also increase. तुम as an example from your daily life you can take, अगर तुम इतना सा चावल लेके बिठाओगे मतलब टू कुक, और अगर कोई इतना सा चावल लेके बिठाएगा टू कुक, ओके, सो देखना कि इतना सा चावल ज़्यादा जल्दी हो रहा है, इतना सा चावल बहुत मतलब समय लगा रहा है. सो more the concentration of reactant, more will be the faster the reaction will be. And as an example, you can ask your mom, okay, say that if we take a little amount of rice to cook, whether it will take less time than if we take more amount of rice to cook. So more amount of rice to cook will be faster, because concentration increase of reactant increases the rate of reaction. So अगर विश्वास नहीं होता है तो तुम जाके you can ask your mom, okay, and and it will see that it will tell you, definitely tell you with my this explanation, okay. Next है टेम्परेचर. नेक्स्ट क्या है? टेम्परेचर. सो हम सबको पता है टेम्परेचर फ्रॉम दी फर्स्ट ईयर में तुम लोग पढ़े हो कि काइनेटिक एनर्जी इंक्रीजेस इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू टेम्परेचर. सो जैसे मतलब एज द टेम्परेचर विल इंक्रीज द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ मोलिक्यूल्स विल इंक्रीज, means the collision between the molecules will increase, means the reaction will become faster. So kinetic energy increase मतलब temperature increase मतलब rate increase. मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, from states of matter in your first year you have studied that kinetic energy is proportional to temperature. So as we will increase the temperature, kinetic energy of molecules will increase, means the collision between the molecules will increase, and more the number of collisions, more faster will be the rate of reaction. थर्ड पॉइंट क्या है? प्रेजेंस ऑफ कैटालिस्ट. थर्ड पॉइंट क्या है? प्रेजेंस ऑफ कैटालिस्ट. प्रेजेंस ऑफ कैटालिस्ट. We know that catalyst is a substance which increases the rate of reaction without itself remaining unchanged. Okay, a catalyst is a substance which increases the rate of reaction itself remaining unchanged. So the presence of catalyst increases the rate of reaction. So presence of catalyst also rate increases. Rate increases. Number fourth point is नेचर ऑफ रिएक्टेंट्स. नेचर ऑफ रिएक्टेंट्स. अभी तुम लोग बोलो मुझे अगर मैं किसी रिएक्शन, इफ आई टेक ए पीस ऑफ चॉक एंड इफ आई टेक डस्ट पार्टिकल्स ऑफ चॉक, वेयर द रिएक्शन विल बी फास्टर? हियर द रिएक्शन विल बी फास्टर बिकॉज सरफेस एरिया इज इंक्रीजिंग. सरफेस एरिया इज इंक्रीजिंग. सरफेस एरिया इंक्रीजिंग मतलब रिएक्शन विल बी फास्टर. सॉरी, ये सरफेस एरिया में आएगा. सरफेस एरिया. ओके, सो सरफेस एरिया में आ रहा है ये सरफेस एरिया. सॉरी माय डियर चाइल्ड. सो इफ यू टेक ए पीस ऑफ चॉक और ग्रेन्यूल्स ऑफ चॉक, the reaction will be faster in this one, in this granules of chalk, not here. So that is why hydrogen is prepared in the laboratory, and so for the preparation of hydrogen we take granules of zinc. Granules of zinc. Okay, not zinc lump, not zinc, not Zn lump, because surface area will increase with the granules of zinc, so the reaction will be faster. Next, fifth point is nature of reactant. Nature of reactant. Nature of reactant. So you will see that like nitrogen oxide. Nitrogen oxide it also bonds in oxygen. Nitrogen oxide also bonds in oxygen to give you twice NO2, and carbon monoxide also bonds in oxygen to give you 2 CO2. Okay, so कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड मतलब जो होता है कोयला, जो होता है कोल, if you burn it in presence of oxygen, you will see that it will take whole day long to burn. But if you take nitrogen oxide, that is nitric oxide, and burn it in presence of oxygen, the reaction will be faster. So this is first reaction, and this is slow reaction. It will burn in whole day. If you light up a piece of coal, and you will see that it will take whole day for the piece of coal to burn. Okay, but whereas if you take a piece of nitric oxide and you burn in presence of oxygen, it will very first it will burn within 1 or 1.5 minutes. Okay, so means the nature of reactant also plays an important role. Here carbon monoxide, it is the reaction is slow, same reaction, and here nitric oxide, same reaction, it is fast reaction. The number sixth point is exposure to radiation. Exposure to radiation. Okay, so this is the 6 points. We know that every reaction occurs very fast when we expose it to sunlight. Okay, so if we prepare if we prepare hydrogen chloride, that is HCl, twice HCl, that is if it is in dark, and another one is same reaction if we do in presence of UV light, H nu, this reaction will be fast. So this reaction will be fast, because in dark the reaction will get slower. So same hydrogen chloride preparation, if you do it in a dark room, it may take 10 to 15 days for your hydrogen chloride to form, whereas if you do this HCl formation reaction in presence of sunlight or UV light, this reaction will be fast. So these are some factors which definitely affect the rate of reaction, So with this, students, I am going to stop here today. From next class we will discuss many more things. So study well, stay safe, and be sincere at your approach. And if you find any problem in solving those numericals, you are free to ask me again and again. I am saying you. So with this, I want to conclude here, my dear students. So thank you very much for your patience hearing. Thank you.